Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you about the difference between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. So watch this video till the end so that you know the difference between them. Both Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash aim to be a worldwide accepted digital currency. But there are some important technical differences as both communities have differing views on their solution to scalability. Hard fork. It was initiated in August 2017 by a group of miners and developers, effectively resulting in the development of a new cryptocurrency BCH. BCH has its own blockchain and specifications, with one major difference from Bitcoin. Algorithm. Unlike Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash uses a separate hash algorithm. This eliminates the possibility of a replay between the two blockchains. There is a replay and wipeout safety mechanism in place in case Bitcoin Cash splits in the future. Price. Bitcoin is difficult to beat in terms of price. The Bitcoin price increased by more than 12 million%, which is unheard of in the world of finance. Bitcoin Cash, on the other hand, hasn't had a particularly good run. Its value has dropped by over 65% since its inception in 2017. Hash rate. Bitcoin miners use their computing power to protect the network and verify transactions. Furthermore, Bitcoin Cash is approximately 2 exhalations, while Bitcoin is approximately 100 exhalations. This is the most important distinction between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, which you should understand before investing in Bitcoins. Transaction speed and transaction fees. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, is well ahead of Bitcoin in terms of transaction speed, BTC. Furthermore, it expedites the confirmation of your transaction. Bitcoin Cash, on the other hand, has lower average transaction fees than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is having difficulty meeting demand due to its high transaction fees. Bitcoin Cash has lower transaction costs than Bitcoin. BCH transfers data more quickly. Then you don't have to wait 10 minutes for a Bitcoin transaction to be confirmed. BCH has a higher transaction rate per second. This means that BCH can be used by more people at the same time than BTC. Bitcoin Cash does not enjoy the same level of consumer confidence as Bitcoin. When it comes to trading pairs, BCH has far fewer than BTC, making it less tradable than Bitcoin. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.